Alright, we're back here with the M4. We're going to do our suspension install today. We went with JRZ RS Pro 3-ways. And we have Ken over there, Big Red KSR, helping us out in his JRZ shirt. And we got Billy. Swift was kind enough to kind of guide us along and support us with 20K rear springs, as well as 10K for the fronts. So we'll start those out, do some testing, and see if we need to make any adjustments. Of us with a stud conversion kit. Rather than using the stock bolts, this is a stud kit now, so you can just use a button-up bolt, making glue swaps much easier. If I can get it on the level. Thank you, Motorsport Hardware. David here, he's going to help us make some clearance to fit these giant wheels and tires.
So what we're doing is we're just going to cut the tab in the back. Yeah, there's a tab right in the back, so once you get rid of that tab, you'll pretty much have a lot of clearance to run it when you want.
Had a good run, huh?
Yeah. People who run like a fatter fitment just have that issue with this tab. So
there's that one back there.
Yeah.
What about the M3s?
Same thing. The M3s have a tab in the back that once you trim it, you can run anything tight against the tab.
But the front's gonna be different.
The fronts, no. The front,
no.
Same thing.
Oh.
Fronts are the tab also where the bumper and the fender meet. So can we just take a moment to appreciate how clean this SD is? David, what are these? 17 by 9.5 Plus 41.
41 basic spec.
Yeah.
Volk T37. Good choice. Voltex front bumper. J side skirts.
Reason probably much why my car looks this way is because of his car. He had the Voltex front end and the J's Racing side skirts.
We have the same one too, right? Type 2?
Yeah, Type 2.
Cool. So he's Voltex, and we're going to be running the Voltex Type 7 chassis mounted on the M4. So it's going to be two cool cars.
This is your low speed on top. This says HS for high speed.
HS?
Yeah, that's your high speed. It's the silver knob here. So right now it's at 1. You can adjust it. And this top knob is your low speed. You can see there's an LS there. And that'll tell you what your low speed is at. So your high speed is what you want to adjust for like berms or any
jumping
type of
berms, stuff like that.
Perfection. So you adjust steering input and body roll, stuff like that will be your low speed. So you won't play with this guy.
So this is where we can dial in like under, over for low speed corner, stuff like that.
Right, exactly.
And then this is more for like say Button Willow, Riverside, high speed.
Right, exactly. So for Button Willow, if you're going over, bus stop, you want to play with this high speed to make sure the car feels good over those.
I'll set it so I can
areas.
just send him.
Right. And then for low speed, that's going to be your steering inputs or, like just normal body roll type of things. So you want to adjust this guy. Okay. So once we get him on the car, we can set it.
Billy's the man. Move. Billy the man with the plan. Courtesy of my boy Dom from GMG, I'd like to thank him for kindly giving us these Sabelt 6-point harnesses that are going to go on the Rapala Pro Hans on the pole position. Thank you, Dom. and doing a rear shot. Struggling?
Yeah, man. Oh, so new, man. Everything's so fucking tight.
Just cut it off.
I can do that. You got a grinder?
As you know, we do vinyl wraps here as well at Corsa Motorsport. Right, so for brake pads, we want Counterspace Garage, the CE2s in the front, and we have CE1s in the rear. The reason I chose Counterspace Garage is because Mike's been a big help to us. And I'm also big on brake modulation and feel, and these have worked out well for the new Supra that I've been driving, so pretty excited for these on the M4 as well. Blah. So thank you again to the guys at CSG, and let's see how they perform. We are using the Project Mu G4 335 fluid. Haven't tried them yet, how are they?
Should be pretty good. The Project Mu's got the highest boiling point temperature for dry and wet. So if you want to have brakes that don't fade, then Project Mu brake fluid.
I just want brakes that stop.
Yeah, well,
Hopefully they stop.
it's definitely gonna stop. It's definitely not gonna fade with the Project Mu fluid, so it should be good there.
Project Mu, try these out. So just a little comparison between the factory pads and the CSG. About the same size. Compound is going to be different, of course. Throw them in. He does a lot of our in-house detailing, paint correction, ceramic coating, you name it. They actually have their own full line of carpet products. It's called, same thing, Glaze Technica. Tyler, do you want to explain what's going on?
Yeah, so we've got a couple of our products here. We've got Detailer, which is a quick detail spray, great for exterior, interior. We've got our glass cleaner right here. It's a pH friendly product, works great on windows, anything glass related. And this is our dressing. This is what we're going to be using to get that matte satin finish. This is our reaction. This is our iron remover, great for removing brake dust. This car is going to see a lot of track time, so this is where this product would come into use, so we don't scratch this nice satin finish. It does require agitation, so if you do have a brush that helps to remove more grime from the wheels, highly recommend it. This is always to be applied in the shade, never in direct sun or on a hot surface, so that's pretty important. Next, we've got our degreaser. So degreaser, that'll remove a lot of the OEM tire glue, and that will pretty much prep it for the tire dressing. Lastly, we've got interior, great on any velour, so it'll be cleaning up your cars, and of course the dashboard, center console.
Thank you, Tyler. So yeah, Glaze Technica, awesome product, awesome guys. Available for purchase directly through Corsa Motorsport.
Thanks, guys.
See it?
Yeah, I see it. Oh yeah. Huh, I wonder why there's that much space there. All I need you to do is measure the front and rear with a tape measure. Is that possible?
Yeah, from where? Where you want me to measure it from?
Bottom of the wheel lip on the rear, bottom of the wheel lip to the top of the fender.
Okay.
Nah, I'm sending that right now.
Look at the right side of the tape measure, not the left side.
Oh, yeah.
Does 589 sound about right?
Yeah?
Okay, can you do the same thing with the rear?
Yeah.
What is that? 652, 32.
I guess we can leave it for now, but it's hard.
Yeah! The car's gonna go lower when you drive it.
I know.
And it's gonna go even lower once you have aero.
I know. So the reason we did choose JRZ is they are one of the best dampers in motorsport. The reason why we chose the RS3 Pros is because they offer high speed compression, low speed compression, and rebound adjustments, which is going to help us adjust and fine tune as we go on track to get faster lap times. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. We have a lot more coming. We're going to do a lot more to the car and a lot more track footage. If you did like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.